Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my favorite car. It's my 1967 Camaro. I thought I was gonna wreck it over the weekend. This wheel about fell off. I broke 3 out of 5 wheel studs. The other 2 were loose. Thought I was gonna lose it. So come along with me, let's replace some wheel studs. All right guys, before we start to work on this car, we gotta collect some tools. Got my trusty Harbor Freight jack here. We got an impact with way too long an extension. We're gonna use a hammer and a punch, or a hammer and a punch, whatever. We'll see what happens. Let's get after this. The car's jacked up now. We got our tire off. This car has rear drum brakes, so we're gonna take this drum off the back and it'll show our broken wheel studs. I'm gonna replace them all just because they're old. Get rid of them. So we'll take our hammer and a punch, or just the bare hammer, and pound out each one of these. All the old wheel studs are out now. Some of them put up a fight, but let's get these new guys in. So what I'm gonna do here is take the new one. There's this knurled section. We're gonna put it in through the back side of the hub. And gonna use an old lug nut. Screw it on here. It's probably not the correct way to do this, but it works most of the time. So yeah, we're gonna put a little pressure on the back side. Grab our impact with a impact rated socket. If you'll look here, she is all the way seated. And yeah, just do that 4 more times. The new wheel studs are in. On a couple of them, I had to use a wooden hammer handle on the back side just to put pressure on them. So put the nut on there, push on the back, and tighten them up. It pulls the stud through the hub. And yeah, new studs are in. So now we're gonna take our drum, place it over top, and give it a nice little shove. I'm gonna grab our wheel, throw it on, drop the car down. Should be good to go. All right guys, car's back in business. Thanks for watching. That's how I replace wheel studs. Probably not the right way, but gets it done. So thanks for watching. Go like, share, and subscribe.